I ran through about 36 different versions of broken wing butterfly style trades to create something that was pretty much completely neutral, something that was bullish yet worked most of the time, even in these adverse market conditions, and something that handles high volatility very well. And version 14 ended up being the neutral position. I call it the jack of all trades trades. Realistically, you could put this trade on anytime, and yeah, it might win, it might lose, but generally it wins most of the time. It's got an extremely high win rate. It's got the highest long-term win rate of all the positions. Has the lowest average drawdowns, has minimal management. In other words, we're not talking about something that is adjusted every day or every 5 minutes or whatever. It's basically, you put this trade on, there are rollbacks, which I'm not necessarily overly fond of, but there are rollbacks. But other than the rollbacks, the upside adjustments is essentially one of them, and that's it, right? It's trade over.